Yeah, so I was saying, it dropped massively, and this is what I was talking about. So trading short term in this type of market, with if we are have to adhere to that 5.5% risk rule, we are not going to get much freedom to do so. So let's say if I wanted to short it again at let's say this is because it's turning a little bit bearish. We are seeing volume coming in. Let's say if it goes back to 29.50 or something, uh, I want to short it again or something. Uh, so what happens is my risk becomes this kind of a bar, and we have a lot of them which have been in play in the market recently, especially in the USSN, and this is almost a 1% bar, and it's a sweeping sell-off with a large volume. We see this occasionally in different times and different periods, but uh, what this means is it is nullifying the long trade for me. It's right in between the lower band of the Bollinger Band and the higher band of the Bollinger Band. So middle band of the Bollinger Band. So we are getting at no chance to enter. So around this area, 2910 or 2900, we might be tempted to buy, and because we are waiting to break above this, we are not looking into selling at this point as well, which obviously doesn't make sense to sell here as well, because this whole area is your risk. So this bar could have happened in this either opposite direction as well. So that's what I'm talking about as well. But yeah, I think we are not going to see anything clear in the next few minutes. I still think, yeah, that 2900 or just below entry might come into play later in the USSN. Uh, but if eventually it breaks above this range, 1960s, that ploy we are thinking about is kind of a risky one uh, for exactly this kind of a bar. So the price was at 29.55 or things something like that, and it came to 29.30 in 2 or 3 minutes. So that's how long it takes for us to be like squared off uh, on trades like this. So that's why it didn't make sense to me to go like uh, long on these areas, because for the if we are thinking about on a recent term, and today we have not really seen Ethereum be aggressive on the bullish side. So let's say when are we getting into Friday? So this is where we are getting into Friday. This is start of Friday in our time. So after this 3000 top created 3035, we are selling. Buyers not coming in. Buy, it's not targeting and getting anywhere. Selling with high pressure. The buy is really slow and like not very smooth upside. Then selling again, not very smooth buy, and selling again, not very smooth buy, again selling, again not very smooth buy, again selling. So that is something that is going on today intraday. So that's why I don't want to really enter without a very good level below me, like I showed in the liquidation charts as well. And what this means is the buyers in above 3000, sorry, above 2900 are not comfortable backing the price, and that's why this is happening, and sellers are finding it more worthy to target. So so that S4 and the 2900 round mark, or the previous S4 of 2886, are still gonna be my idea of a good long on Ethereum. But yeah, it's something just to keep in mind, uh, which I wanted to share. This is obviously the 5 minute chart, and